Water is Utah's lifeblood and essential for maintaining our quality of life. Our state's growing population, changing climate, and persistent drought mean that every drop counts. That's where we come in. At the Utah Division of Water Resources, we're dedicated to ensuring Utah's water future. From conserving water to state water planning, our team works tirelessly to improve and build resilience in our water systems. We are leading efforts in water conservation, helping Utahns use water more efficiently through better landscaping, metering, smart irrigation, and community programs that make saving water easy. As of January 2025, 63% of Utah residents are eligible for our Landscape Incentive Program. Using funds provided by the American Rescue Plan Act, also known as ARPA, 72,000 secondary water meters have been installed. And by the end of 2026, an anticipated 162,000 meters will be installed. Large-scale infrastructure is vital as well. We ensure pipelines, reservoirs, dams, and aqueducts are built and maintained to last, even in the face of challenges like earthquakes and growing demand. This year, we contracted almost $59 million in board funds, awarded almost $22 million in water infrastructure project grants, and provided $50 million in funds for seismic resilience construction and studies along the Wasatch Front. Great Salt Lake is one of our most precious water bodies. Through the Great Salt Lake Basin Integrated Plan, we're working to protect critical ecosystems for wildlife, recreation, and Utah's economy. 8 projects are currently underway to provide essential insights that will shape the plan. These projects include developing a comprehensive modeling tool to project future water management scenarios, as well as studies focused on agriculture water optimization, groundwater monitoring, lakebed dust mitigation, and more. We're also using innovative techniques like cloud seeding to enhance our water supply. This proven technology helps increase snowpack in key watersheds, giving us more water when we need it most. 37 new cloud seeding generators were brought online during the 2024 to 2025 cloud seeding season. In addition, the division is partnering with Utah State University to better understand cloud seeding impacts in Utah's unique climates. As Utah grows, so does our responsibility. We work with communities to plan for future water needs, balancing urban growth with prudent water management. In light of this, the division has held 4 Growing Water Smart workshops since November 2022, with additional workshops planned for 2025. We are ensuring a resilient, water-wise Utah for tomorrow by protecting and managing our water today. The Utah Division of Water Resources, committed to planning, conserving, developing, and protecting Utah's water resources.